welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas with 112,000 miles. Seems like we have a little whiny wheel bearing. Here are complete replacement bearing hub assembly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this wheel off. 17mm bolts. Wheel is removed. 18mm nut for sway bar. Link. That's out. Next thing, we're gonna go ahead and turn this all the way to the right to access the brake caliber bolts. There is two of them. 13/16 is the one that you want to use. Long socket on impact. Brake caliber is off. Took some bungee cord, tied up here. Torque sturdy here to remove this retaining bolt to hold that holds the brake rotor. Now that this bolt is removed, T30, we're gonna go ahead and take our hammer and start hammering side to side until this brake rotor falls off. Make sure don't hit the braking surface, just the inner pieces to break it loose. Brake rotor is off. Now you need 15/16 socket 12 point to remove this CV axle bolt. Bolt is removed. Now we're gonna go ahead and take extension like this, push it in here and push this CV axle out. Okay, the CV axle is pushed out of the way to access our M12 triple square, 4 of them, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I have this right here. Let's undo these 4. Went ahead and slide the CV axle up here. That allows me to get access to bolts easy. Whoop. Hard to film and do the job with one hand. Anyway, all the bolts are done. Let's take a hammer, tap it on the sides and get this hub removed. Here it is. Old hub is out, new one going in. New hub is installed. Let's slide it back, bolt it down. Hub is back. Brake rotor next. Rotor is on. Caliber next. Caliber is on. Sway bar link next. Sway bar link on. Wheel. Pop. Wheel is back on and the job is